with the 3D printer, it gives us the ability to mock up brackets for planters and mock up different things that we can then see if they will fit and the modules will fit. Then we can take those to our small manufacturing company here local and get those made and specifically fit for the job that we've got. This 3D printer we put into service about February of last year. No, February of 2025, actually. So.
And what are some of the top benefits you've seen from it so far?
The top benefits with this is being able, again, to test fit brackets, test fit different things that would work better for a specific job. And that way we can, without wasting a lot of money and manufacturing time, we can get that piece printed in a day, see if it's going to fit and work. If not, make those changes and then reprint one and then take it to manufacturing and ability to have those pieces to us a lot quicker.
And how difficult is it to operate one of these?
I fortunately have a daughter that is a biomedical engineer that did a lot of 3D printing in her one co-op, and so she's given us some guidance and operation tips. So once we get the file created and that, it's just a matter of uploading the file and turning it on and making it go.